Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property here today at Treviso Bay, and today we're going to preview our listing over in Trevi Court, Unit 5424. This is the Arbor floor plan, part of the terrace line of condos at Treviso Bay. This comes with a social membership, so you don't have any golf dues associated with it. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, right around 1,200 square foot home. Let's run inside and take a look. As you come into the Arbor, you have a nice open kitchen layout, full appliance package, white shaker style cabinets, and a nice island right here for additional seating. You also have the bar here where you can attach additional chairs as well. And this overlooks your dining and great room space here. Now directly to the right is going to be your guest bedroom. So you have a guest bedroom here with the bifold closet door, and directly across you have the guest bath with the single vanity, the combination tub and shower. And in this floor plan you have the washer and dryer located conveniently right here in the guest bathroom, and it is a full-size washer dryer unit. Now coming back to the main area here, you have the master bedroom on the back side with views of the lake and the preserve. So this is your master here, nice window out, so you're gonna view the Rookery Bay preserve. Nice size master, comfortably fits a king size bed. You've got his and hers closet. You've got a single vanity commode, linen closet, and you've got the standalone shower. And last but not least, on this beautiful condo, you have the view. You've got a nice enclosed screened-in lanai. And this overlooks your views here at Treviso Bay with the lake and the preserve in the background. Well, if you're interested, you can reach us direct. All of the information to contact us is below. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property Group, and we appreciate you watching our videos. We'll talk to you soon.